the dreaded red light blinking on your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. This unable to charge, just red light blinking situation is a very common frustration for Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni users. So, what's causing this light show? More often than not, that insistent red blink points directly to a faulty battery. Think of it like its internal power pack has just decided to retire. The battery simply can't hold a proper charge anymore, no matter how lovingly you place it on its station. And now, you're thinking, how hard can a battery swap be? Hold on a second. While we admire the can-do attitude, robot vacuums, especially sophisticated models like the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni, are packed with intricate electronics, delicate sensors, and proprietary components. It's not like changing the batteries in your TV remote. Attempting a DIY repair on that faulty battery carries significant risk. And what if it's not just the battery? Misdiagnosing the issue can lead to wasted money on parts and a still broken robot. Plus, handling lithium-ion batteries incorrectly can even pose a safety hazard. Don't turn a manageable battery issue into a major repair headache. Trust the professionals at RoboCare. Our technicians aren't just general repair folks. They are Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni specialists. We're deeply familiar with this advanced model, its common issues, and, most importantly, its solutions. Once confirmed, our process is meticulous. We don't just swap a part. We carefully install a genuine replacement battery. This ensures your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni not only charges correctly, but also regains its optimal runtime and performance. This is expert robot vacuum repair you can trust. But seeing is believing, right? Let's check out the results. And this is the RoboCare difference. Your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni back to life. Charging perfectly, cleaning flawlessly. That faulty battery? A distant memory. Got a blinking light? A dead battery? Or any other robot vacuum woe? Visit our website or contact us today. We handle all major brands.